Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MMEX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Now, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I am anyways. An absolutely monster move here today. Up, I think over 1,000%. But regardless, like I said, I don't want to just sit here and state the obvious. So let's map out some levels of support and resistance and kind of just see, is there any sort of true long-term power to this move or not? So the first thing I want to do here is just map out some levels of support. So let's talk areas of potential, levels where the price might want to bounce. This first area of support to keep an eye on, going to be right here at 0022. That would be the ideal level, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? If the price can stay above 0022, that would indeed accomplish that. Now, if the price does drop below it, I'm not saying that everything's ruined or anything like that. But again, if the price can stay above it, that is best possible case scenario to make the bulls look the absolute strongest. Next level of support after that, down at 0014. So 0022, 0014, two near term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at the big picture of things and kind of measuring the health of the move. What do I mean by the move? Well, this thing right here. How can we measure the health of that? What's the easiest way to do it? And it all revolves around that purple line there, which is the 50-period simple moving average, meaning as that line continues to move upwards, as long as the price stays above it, then in my opinion, and the easy way to look at that, the bulls are in full health. No questions asked. So again, very simplistic way to look at things. As long as the price stays above that increasing purple line, then the bulls are in full health. Bulls 100% own the chart. Now, what about levels of resistance? Key area of resistance, and I'm just going to talk about one, and I'll explain that in a second, is just right up here. The party stopped today at 0034. Just talking about one level of resistance because in my opinion, the top priority right now is not breaking levels of resistance. The top priority is going through a healthy consolidation, building a higher base, because when you have higher bases and healthy consolidations, then that's what allow those long-term uptrends to be built. And assuming you're bullish and care about a bigger term perspective here, that's what you want to see, those long-term uptrends. So very crazy day today. We'll see if the bulls can build upon it or not the remainder of the week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.